Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about pipe and cisterns. So let us go and try to solve the questions. Here, question number 1. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours respectively. If both the pipes are open simultaneously, how much time will be taken to fill the tank? So like we have done before on work and time, we will try to find out 1 day's work or 1 hour's work. In this case here, the question says 36 hours and 45 hours each. So we will try to find out 1 hour's work for both A and pipe B. Okay, so here pipe A's 1 hour work will be 1 by 36 and pipe B's 1 pipe would be 1 by 45. You can write pipe A's 1 hour part filled in 1 hour, part filled in 1 hour for both pipe and B, or you can use the same cut. Now, since they've asked me that if both the pipes are open simultaneously, that means I will have to find out when both the pipes are open. When both the pipes are open, obviously it means adding both the 1 hour work for both of them. Okay, so pipe A plus pipe B's 1 hour work. Okay, so or part filled in 1 hour by both pipe A and B. You can write it that way also. So that is 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45. Okay, so the LCM here would be 180. And then you've got 36 5 times. Then you have 45 4 times, so which is giving you 9 by 180. If I cancel, and 1 is 9, and 2 is up. So this is giving me 1 by 20. Okay, so pipe A and B can fill 1 by 20th part in 1 hour. So how much time will be taken to fill the tank? Okay, so just the reverse of 1 by 20. If I reverse it, this becomes 20, and it was hours, so it will be 20 hours. Okay, let us try another question. Question number 2. Two pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively, while a third pipe empties the full tank in 20 hours. If all the 3 pipes operate simultaneously, how much time will the tank be filled in? So in this question, we have 2 pipes, okay, which are filling the tank, and then we have another pipe which is emptying the tank. Okay, so the question here is, if I open all the 3 pipes together, how much time will they take to fill the pipe? Okay, so similarly, we will try to find out their 1 hour work, or part of the part filled in 1 hour. Okay, whichever way you want, right? So for pipe, let me just name it as A, B, and C. Okay, let's take this as pipe A. Okay, let's take this as pipe P, and then let's take the third empty pipe as C. Okay, so that we now, since A and B are filling the tank, and then pipe C is emptying the tank, they are asking me to find out if all the pipes are open together. So obviously, when I say all together, it means addition, right? In this case, since A and B are the pipes which are filling it, I will do A plus B, right? But pipe C is the one which is emptying it. So obviously empty means you will subtract it by C. Okay, so this is how it would look like, right? So A plus B minus C. This is how you will write it, the equation. Now from here, my A, it takes 10 hours. So part filled in 1 hour would be 1 by 10, right? Set plus for B also 1 by 12, and then minus your C, which will be 1 by 20. Okay, so from here, obviously, this is A, B's 1 hour work, or part filled in 1 hour, right? So that is, so if we take the LCM here, okay, we're getting 60 here. So 10, 6 plus 5 minus your 3. So you're getting, this is 11 minus 3, that is 8 by 60, right? So now, if you want to cancel, you can cancel it first and then reverse it, or you can cancel later as well. You change it and then you cancel. Okay, so I'll just directly cancel here for now, 4 2 times, and 4 1s are 4, 4 5 is 20. So you're getting 2 by 15. So A, B, and C, when I open it all together, they fill 2 by 15 in 1 hour. So the reverse. So the question is, how much time will they take, right? So time taken by A plus B minus C together, okay, would be reverse of this. So this is 2 by 15, so it will be 15 by 2, and you have here hours, so 15 by 2 hours, okay, which will be now in mixed fraction, it will look like 2 7s are 14, 1 by 2, or you can also write this as 7.5. Okay, that means 7.5 or 7.5 means this is basically 7 hours and 30 minutes. So in the exam, it can be in any form. It can be in the mixed fraction form. So you write this as your answer. If it's in points, you can write this one. Or if it is in minutes and hours, then you can write this as your answer. So that you have your own liberty in the exam. Let us try another question. Number 3, an electric pump can fill a tank in 3 hours. Because of a leak in the tank, it took 3.5 hours to fill the tank. If the tank is full, how much time will the leak take to empty it? Now, whenever we get questions on leak, okay, it will be much better if you assume that as a second pipe or a waste pipe. Yeah, we have done questions where we have waste pipe and all, or a pipe which empties the tank in our previous question. So you can imagine it as a third pipe. In this case, we have only one electric pump. Okay, so you can take this as your A, right? Pipe A, which fills in 3 hours. Okay, and then the leak. You can consider this as another pipe, waste pipe or a pipe which empties it. That way, it becomes a lot easier to understand. Now, an electric pump, okay, can fill a tank in 3 hours, which is your A. So A is 1 hour. Okay, I'll just write it in short. I can write this as 1 by 3. Now, the next question is, because of a leak in tank, it took 3.5 hours to fill the tank. That means, see, A takes only 1 by 3 hours. So that means obviously 1 hour is this. Now, when I say because of the leak, it takes 3.5 hours, it means that when the A was opened as well as because of the leak. So obviously because it's a leak, I will do minus B. Okay, I'm writing the leak as B so that you understand easy terms. So this will be 1 hour work. Okay, so which will be obviously C. This is 1 by 2 hours, right? So this is in mixed fraction. So whenever we try to solve it, we always try to write in a fraction. So 3 to the 6, 7 by 2 hours is what I'll write here. So that means it takes 7 by 2 hours to fill the tank, right? Now, instead of that now, since it's 7 by 2 hours, I will try to find out for 1 hour now, right? So in 1 hour, it will be reverse of that. So 1 by 7 by 2, right? Same as here, it was 3 hours, so we did 1 by 3. So same here, it is 7 by 2, so I will divide 1 by 7, but now, if I reverse it, this becomes 2 by 7. So that means A can fill 1 by third in 1 hour, and when I open both A and B, B being the leak, okay, but if you understand it as a second pipe which empties it, it becomes a lot simpler, so B. So if I say B as the leak pipe, then this is the amount filled by both A and B when they are open. Now, after that, they are asked me to find out if the tank is full, how much time will the leak take to empty it? The leak means, obviously, it means the B, right? How much time will B? You can imagine this pipe B, so how much time will B take it? Now, whenever we are given total, right? A and B is the total time, which is 2 by 7. Yeah, part of the fill in 1 hour. That, if I want to get for B, from here, if I just subtract A, right? A and B together is this one, and A alone is this one. Since they asked me about the leak, it means they're asking me about B. So if I want to find out for B, the leak one, obviously I just have to subtract A from the total. So basically here, A and B would take 2 by 7, right? That minus the A alone, so which is 1 by 3. Here you get your LCM as 21, which is 6 minus, so if I do it here, this is 6 minus 7, which is minus 1 by 21. Now, the reason we have a negative here, okay, it's because it's a leak pipe. Okay, waste pipe also, leak pipe, sometimes you might get negative as your answer, but that is just now. The reason why here is negative, one way, we can make this positive as well. If you look at here, this is A minus B minus A. Okay, so when I cancel my A here, I'm only remain with minus B here. So you can see that minus B is also here, and we have a minus here as well, right? So usually if you want to make it positive, although it doesn't matter, okay, but if you want to change it, you can write it like this, and this negative signs can be cut off. So this will be B's portion, which is 1 by 21. That means the leak, okay, the leak takes 21 hours to okay, so this is how you solve questions on pipes and cisterns. That will be all for today. See you guys in the next video.